How to fix threads not loading. First, try checking the internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable network. After you do that, your problem should be fixed. If not, try for stopping the threads application and start it again. Open App Library of your device. Find the application for threads and long press on it. Tap on the option App Info. Once you do that, tap on the option Force Stop that you can see on the screen. Tap on the option OK. Simply wait for a while. After about 30 seconds, tap on the option Open. Now the Threads application should be opened and it should start loading. If the problem is still not fixed, try clearing the cache. Tap on the option Storage and Cache in the Settings interface. Tap on the option Clear Cache. Once the cache has been cleared, your problem should be fixed. If the problem is still not fixed, what you have to do is simply try updating the Threads application. There might be some bugs. Open the Play Store of your device. Tap on the search icon that you can see at bottom. Tap on the search bar that you can see at top. Search for Threads. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for Threads and tap on the update option right next to it. After it is updated, your problem should be fixed. If it is still not loading, what you have to do is simply exercise your patience. There might be some problem in the Meta's end. Wait for a while and your problem will be fixed automatically by Meta. Like this, you can fix threads not loading. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.